Troy. As soon as Elmo opens his drawer. Oh, okay. Elmo will show you now. Oh, maybe not. Gotcha. Excuse you, drawer. What would make Draw happy? And who better to ask about drawing than a drawer? Get it? Draw? The draw gets it? Sweet! Come on. You're such a silly drawer. Oh, not again, drawer. Is there any bugs in there? Open up. Open wide, drawer. Ah, ta-da! Boy, Elmo's hands are very talented. Open up, drawer. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet. Let's play. You missed, Elmo. Open up, drawer. A little more. A little more. Cock-a-diddle-doo. 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 How's the weather in there? Drawer, a little help. A little help. Isn't that nice? That was easy. Elmo can hear the drawer. The drawer's supposed to open. Is there any wild animals in there? Come out, wherever you are. Hold still, drawer. Hold still. Drawer, whoa. Is somebody taking a bath in drawer? No, Elmo doesn't see anything. Drawer, come back up now. Oh, come on, drawer, open up. Come on. Is drawer ticklish? Tickle, 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 tickle. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, come on, drawer, please open up, please. Can drawer be a friend? Everybody's a penguin today. Open up and say, drawer is being a star. Hey, yo, drawer. Drawer is as slow as my last. Zip,